Hey everyone, in this video, let's compare MindMeister with Xmind. In order to do so, here we are in the App Store for iOS. However, you can find this on Android as well. And if we take a look at MindMeister here, we'll just go ahead and do a preview of the different functions, and you could see for yourself how it is that MindMeister is going to show up on a tablet. The functionality is similar on a phone, but on the tablet, you'll have a little bit more real estate to be able to see what you're doing. But you could certainly do this on your phone as well. So you can see here that with MindMeister, we can do mind mapping right in your pocket. You can uh, visualize your ideas, and you can see here that what this is all about is basically if you have a brainstorm that you want to do, whatever the topic might be, then this is what MindMeister is good for. And it's a good way of just being able to get your thoughts out in a visual form and see them not so much in just note taking, but something that's a little bit more dynamic. We could collaborate as well. So if you want to bring other people into MindMeister in order to comment and even vote, then you can do that. You can add different icons, images, and themes and give a little bit of style. You can see here that what we're looking at is quite slick in its presentation. And you can also present your thoughts in a PowerPoint style production. So that's really nice too. Not only can you brainstorm your ideas and have them there in visual form, but you can also present them if you have some kind of a meeting where you need to present your ideas. MindMeister will help you do that. Now, if we look at the ratings here, we're going to see that the ratings are pretty positive at 4.3 out of 166 ratings. It does appear that MindMeister is relatively well regarded. Now, let's compare this with Xmind. So if we go over to Xmind, and Xmind as well is available on iOS, we can see here that based on over 1,000 ratings, Xmind has a more positive rating. And that is notable. So personally, if I was to choose between either of these, sure, good idea to spend some time with them. But just based on the ratings and the fact that it does appear to be quite popular in comparison to Xmeister, to MindMeister rather, you can see for yourself that Xmind seems to be very highly regarded. And you can see here how that is going to show up visually. So you have your canvas here where you can put your different you basically have all your thoughts laid out visually, and it looks nice and slick and well presented. A full featured mind mapping toolbox with 16 years of history and 100 million plus installations. Capture ideas from brainstorming. So you can gather all your ideas and inspirations locally together on a mind map. And it's really nice here. You can see for yourself how it's nice brainstorming layout, and all of your ideas are in visual form, so you can really get a bird's eye view of whatever it is that you wish to do here with MindMeister or with Xmind, but here specifically with Xmind. Become a great storyteller, a mind map slideshow on mobiles with auto-generated layout and animated transitions. So this also has a PowerPoint presentation that you can use to demonstrate in any meeting. And so the fact that it is not only something that you can use to brainstorm, but also something that you can use for your presentations, perfect for many people in certain situations. MindMeister and Xmind might be a great solution for you. You can change color themes. A miraculous algorithm lets you always create eye-catching mind maps. So you can see here for yourself the different color schemes that you can use, and they're all really nice and slick, and the colors are going to pop and really help you with your presentations and with being able to brainstorm your ideas. There's also hand-drawn styles. So if you want to use your stylus, then that is an option as well. So if you're somebody who likes uh, to draw with a pencil, with a pen, you prefer that type of note-taking, then you can use Xmind as well. So that's quite nice. And there's also stickers and illustrations. Your mind map always stands out from the rest. The options here to just make your meetings, your brainstorming, your presentations just look that much more professional and eye-catching is really nice. Ideas grow on trees. Start mind mapping today and branch out more possibilities tomorrow. So just by looking here, you can see the different ways that you can use Xmind and how it is that you can present your brainstorms. So that gives you an idea of what to expect from both MindMeister and Xmind. I certainly think that MindMeister is a quality app. It definitely looks quite nice and certainly something that you might want to spend some time with. But quite honestly, based on the reviews, and they do seem to be entirely positive, I might suggest that you go with Xmind. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.